Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI, and I am constantly reaching for these hair clips to put my hair back. These Ivyu square hair claw clips are so great because they come in a set of 8, 2 in each of the 4 colors. And I love that because I can leave them all over the place, in the bathroom, the office, the car, or even share them. It's so nice to have them handy everywhere. And I love the neutral colors. Some of them match my hair, and other colors I can use to just match my outfit. The design is so pretty. It has a matte finish, and I especially like that the mechanism is the same color as the clip. I feel like these Ivyu square hair clips do such a great job of keeping my hair secure, and they're also comfortable to wear. And that's my point of view.